Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with UnitedHealthcare to set up secure member tools. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the UnitedHealthcare website. Locate the register button on the home page. Click on the register button to start the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your personal information. Fill in your first name, last name, and date of birth. Next, enter your email address and create a password. Make sure to choose a strong password for security. Confirm your password by entering it again. Now, enter your member ID or policy number. You can find your member ID on your insurance card. After entering your member ID, click on Next. You may need to verify your identity. Follow the prompts to complete the identity verification process. This may include answering security questions or entering additional information. Once verified, you will be directed to set up your secure account. Review the terms and conditions and privacy policy provided. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. Click on Submit to finalize your registration. You should now receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox for the email and follow any additional instructions provided. Once your account is set up, return to the UnitedHealthcare website. Log in using your email and password. You will now have access to the secure member tools. Explore the resources available to manage your health plan. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with UnitedHealthcare. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.